What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp profile picture. So first of all, go to WhatsApp, then click to three dot menu. From here find out setting option and click here. Now here you can say a profile option. Click the profile picture and then click to profile picture again. From here you can see a pencil icon, click here and then select your profile picture using camera, gallery and avatar. I want to select gallery and then from your gallery you can select any picture from here. I want to select this one and then click to done. Done. That's it. You can change your WhatsApp profile picture using this method. I think this is helpful. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.